Hi there, today we are going to look at question number 1 coming from the June 2016 Further Maths Advanced Level Code 9231 Component 11, and we're looking at a cubic equation 2x cubed plus x squared minus 7, which has roots alpha, beta and gamma, and we need to use the substitution y is equal to 1 over 1 plus x to find the cubic equation whose roots are 1 plus 1 over alpha, 1 plus 1 over beta, and 1 plus 1 over gamma. And we need to give our answer in the form of ay cubed plus by squared plus cy plus d is equal to 0, where a, b, c, and d are constants to be found. Now, the first thing I would do is I would take the substitution y is equal to 1 plus 1 over x and turn x into the subject formula, which then becomes x is equal to y minus 1. Okay, so that becomes then 1 over y minus 1. Take that substitution and put it into this equation here. We have 2x cubed plus x squared minus 7 is equal to 0. So 2 times x cubed is 1 over y minus 1 to the cube plus 1 over y minus 1, all of that to the square, minus 7 is equal to 0. So we have then 2 over y minus 1 to the cube plus 1 over y minus 1 to the square minus 7 is equal to 0. And if we were to cancel this in the denominator, we can multiply both sides by y minus 1 to the cube, and over here put a big bracket here and just multiply it by y minus 1 to the cube. These two is going to cancel out. I'm left with 2 plus y minus 1, because this cancels here, and then minus 7 into y minus 1, all of that to the cube is equal to 0. So I've got then 2 plus y minus 1 minus 7 into, this needs to be expanded, so we can use the binomial coefficients from the Pascal triangle. So we have 1, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 1, 3, 3, 1. So we're looking at the third row for our expansion. And so what we have is then y, so that's y to the cube minus 3y square, there's minus 1 here, so then it becomes plus 3y, okay, and then minus 1, and all of that should be equal to 0. So the next thing is 2 minus 1 is 1, so I've got y plus 1 minus 7 times y cubed, can distribute this, and then plus 21 y square, and then minus 21y, and then we got plus 7 is equal to 0. So minus 7y cubed plus 21y square minus 21y plus y is minus 20y, and I've got 7 plus 1, which is then 8. So all of that should be equal to 0. So we can now multiply both sides by minus 1, and if we do this, it neatly come down to 7y cubed minus y 21y square plus 20y minus 8 is equal to 0. So in fact now we've got our equation, which is of the form ay cubed plus by squared plus cy plus d is equal to 0, and here we are. That is all that's needed for this question. Okay, take care.